Aluminum Grade 3XXX Series Alloys. The 3XXX series of wrought aluminum alloy also goes by the 3000 series. Aluminum Association, Inc. listed aluminum-manganese almond system alloys under the category. Most Grade 3XXX alloys also contain magnesium Mg as a minor impurity. Aluminum 3XXX alloy characteristics.
Aluminum 3000 series alloy has magnesium as the main alloying element, which imparts some unique properties to this series of alloys. Some of the key characteristics of Grade 3000 aluminum alloys are:
moderate mechanical strength, non-heat treatable, further strengthening through strain hardening cold work, excellent formability, solid solution hardening with magnesium, superior ductility, ultimate tensile strength of 16 kC to 41 kZ, high corrosion resistance, readily weldable with filler alloys, can be given surface finishing such as anodizing. Common aluminum Grade 3XXX alloys. Manganese addition in Grade 3XXX alloys can range from 0.05% to 1.8%. However, aluminum can pair up to 1.5% Min effectively. This is why the series features a limited number of alloys. Widely used alloys from the 3XXX series are Grade 3003-1, 1.5% Min, Grade 3004-1, 1.5% Min, Grade 3005-1, 1.5% Min, Grade 3105-0, 30.8% Min. Copper Cu is another impurity present in the composition, but the percentage is very low, between 0.05% to 0.3%. Zinc Zn, silicon C, or iron Fe can also be found in a minimal amount. The first digit indicates the alloy in the 3XXX series. The second digit, if not 0, denotes a modification of the alloy, and the last two digits refer to the arbitrary identification of the alloy in the series. Applications for aluminum 3XXX series alloys. Moderate mechanical strength precludes these alloys from structural applications. Alumine alloys are commercially available in sheets, wire, foils, and containers. Other forms like bars, plates, or tubes may only be manufactured on special requests. Cookware. Grade 3XXX alloys can withstand high temperatures without changes. Pans and pots initially used these alloys for production. Still, they're one of the major components of many heat-resistant utensils. The binary Aluminium 3003 alloy has applications in rigid containers. Automotive vehicles have these alloys in the heat exchangers. These 3000 series alloys can also take over stainless steel for automotive trim. However, they're like alternatives rather than the preferred material. Processing plants. Food and chemical processing units and their handling components have 3XXX series applications. The aluminum-Mg 3004 alloy has uses in manufacturing beverage cans. Some power plants also take advantage of heat insulation using these alloys. Which aluminum alloy is best for your project? Grade 3XXX series have some good mechanical characteristics, promoting their applications. However, die-casting aluminum alloys could be a good option for you as well. We're a well-known Chinese aluminum die-casting and CNC machining manufacturer with 10+ years of experience. If you want to get the best aluminum alloys for your project, feel free to contact us anytime.